Next question says a function fx is defined as fx is equal to x cube minus px square minus q square x minus 6r. So it is given as a quadratic function such that f of p is equal to f of k and f of r is equal to 0. So from here I can say p, q and r are roots of this equation, or are roots of this function at x is because at x equal to p, at x equal to q and x equal to r, this function becomes 0. So p, q, r are the roots of this expression, and r is giving me as value of r is giving me as 6 already. Okay, so from here I can write the sum of root. I know for a cubic function sum of root is equal to minus times coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. So it will be p. So sum of root will be p and p get cancelled. From here I know q plus r will be 0 and r is already giving me a 6, so q becomes minus 6 from here, r is already 6. Next thing or next relation I know is product of the roots, p into q into r. Product of the root is, this is minus b plus c and minus d by a. So the formula or the generalized result for this product of root is minus constant term divided by coefficient of x cube. So it is minus 6r, so minus of minus 6r is 6r divided by a is 1. It is giving me a 6r. So r and r get cancelled, p becomes how much? 6 upon q, q is minus 6. So p becomes minus 1. So all the roots are I found out the value of all three roots. P is minus 1, q is minus 6 and r is 6. And I need to find the value of f of 2. So put the value of x as 2 in this function. So f of 2 is 2 cube, that is 8, minus p times. P is minus 1. So minus minus is plus 1 into x square. X is 2, so it becomes 4, minus q square. Q is minus 36 or minus 6. Square, q square is 36, 36 into x, x is 2, minus 6 into r, and r is already giving me a 6. So how much is this? 8 and 4 12, this is minus 72 and this is minus 36. So it will become this is 108, so 12 minus 108, so it becomes minus 96. So f of 2 is 90 minus 96. So correct answer to this question is option B, minus 96.